A very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome to Sir Michael's e-learning classes. My name is Francis sir, and today, my dear children, we will be doing unit number 7 of GK for standard 4. And the first chapter, unit 7, is Pioneering Inventors. So let's see this chapter. Take the correct option. Question number 1. So we have to choose the correct option amongst A and B. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen invented. The answer is A, X-ray. When my finger is getting pointed, that is the correct answer. Question number 2. Carl Friedrich von Drais invented. The answer is B, bicycle. Question number 3. Robert H. Goddard invented. The answer is B, rocket. Then question number 4. Henrik Fogg invented. The correct option is B, helicopter. Question number 5. James West invented. The answer is A, microphone. Question number 6. Johannes Gutenberg invented. The answer is A, printing press. Question number 7. Emil Berliner invented. The correct answer is A, record player. Question number 8. Edward Jenner invented. The answer is B, vaccination. And question number 9. Sergei Korolev invented. The answer is B, tank shape. Now the second chapter, my dear children, of unit number 7, it's a game. So we are not doing it and it will not come in your exam. Next, we move on to the third chapter of unit 7, artificial intelligence. Have you ever heard of robots that cook in kitchen and help a visually impaired person to cross the road? The modern world that we live in is made of many such technological inventions. These examples of artificial intelligence have made our lives both interesting and easier. Fill in the blanks with the name of the invention. So we need to name the inventions. Question number 1. A portable digital music player called the Dash was created by Apple computers. So the correct answer is iPod, number 1, where my finger is getting pointed. Then number 2. An artificial hand for amputes called the Dash to perform everyday activities was created by Touch Bionics. So the correct option, my dear children, is number 2, bionic hand. Then we come to question number 3. Dash that uses two sources of power was designed by Toyota. So the correct answer is 3, hybrid. Question number 4. Dash, a supercomputer that is the world's largest computer, was built by IBM. So the correct answer is 4, Roadrunner. Next we come to question number 5. Dash was invented by a biomed. So the correct answer is answer number 5 is A, Abaika artificial heart. And question number 6. Dash was invented by Tesla Motors. So the correct option is 6, electric car. Now, my dear children, we will move on with the third chapter of unit 7, which is body talk. The human body comprises many organs. The organs work together as organ system. Examples are digestive system, circulatory system, and many others. The organs and organ systems have different features, functions, and requirements. Read these facts about the human body. Color the circle red for untrue facts and green for true facts. So here, my dear children, what I will be doing is whatever statements are correct or whatever sentences are correct, I will give T means true, and whatever is incorrect, I will write as U means untrue. So let's begin. Question 1. Skin makes vitamin A for the body using sunlight. So the answer is U, untrue. Question number 2. Marrow is a soft jelly-like substance. So the answer is T, true. Question number 3. Hair is made up of a material called keratin. So the answer is T, true. Question number 4. Bone is 5 times stronger than steel. So the answer is T, true. Then we come to question number 5. The bone has 22 drum-shaped bones called vertebra. So the answer is U, untrue. Question number 6. The smallest muscle, the stapedius, is inside the ear. So the answer is T, true. Question number 7. Tendons are cords that attach the muscle to the bone. So the answer is T, true. Question number 8. Polio is a bacterial disease that paralyzes the limbs. So the answer is T, true. Question number 9. Corns are thickened dead cells in the skin of the foot. So the answer is T, true. Question number 10. The largest artery arising from the heart is aorta. So the answer is T, true. Last question. Gallbladder is the bag where bile is stored. So the answer is T, true. So we will stop for today, my dear children, in this class. Whatever we have done, please write them in your GK book and study. Thank you.